Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the problems based on Werner's theory of complex compounds or Werner's theory of coordination compounds. The problem given is 1 mole of a complex CONH3 taken 5Cl3 gives 3 moles of ions on dissolution in water. 1 mole of the same complex compound react with 2 moles of AgNO3 and is giving 2 moles of AgCl. Whenever the compound is given 2 moles of AgCl that means it react with 2 mole of AgNO3 means in this complex there are two chloride ions available to combine with AgNO3. From this one I say what? The complex has, actually it has 3 chlorides. Out of 3, 2 are outside the complex and 1 is found inside the complex. What about the remaining? CO surrounded by NH3 taken 5. So this is the formula of the complex. I repeat once again. Data given is 2 moles of AgCl is formed. 2 moles of AgCl is formed only when it contains 2 chloride ions. So the chloride ions outer the complex can ionize. They only ionize to give 2 chloride ions. That means 2 chloride ions are outside the complex, 1 chloride is inside. You know, the chloride inside this complex is non-ionizable. So this is the formula of the compound. Thank you. The next one is how many moles of AgCl would be obtained when 100 ml of 0.1 mole of COCl3.5NH3 is treated with excess of AgNO3. First we write the geometry. CO surrounded by 5 ammonia. You know, coordination number of cobalt is 6. Or this is also taken as secondary valency. It is taken as secondary valency. So already 5 are there, 1 more required. That's why 2 chlorides are outside the complex. You know, this complex ionizes to give what? It ionizes to give 1 positive charge complex and 2 chloride ions. 2 chloride ions it is giving. Now how many moles of precipitate it can form? Now the measurements are 0.1 molar, molarity into volume in liters into N factor. This gives the moles of precipitate. What is the molarity? 0.1. Volume 100 by 1000 into N factor. There are 2 chlorides, N factor is 2. So on simplification we get what? 0.1 into 2 by 10. Nothing but 0.2 by 10 or 0.02. 0.02 moles. 0.02 moles of AgCl is formed. I repeat the explanation once again. The compound given is COCl3.5NH3. Now cobalt coordination number is 6 or secondary valence is 6. Already 5 ammonia are there. 1 chloride is inside. This chloride satisfies both primary valency and secondary valency. The chloride inside the complex do not ionize. The chlorides outside the complex ion can ionize. So it ionizes to give 2 chloride ions. Now number of moles of AgCl formed is calculated by the formula, that is molarity into volume. This gives number of moles into N factor. That means how many chlorides are ionizing? 2. So 0.1 into 100 by 1000 into N factor 2. So this gives the moles of AgCl formed. Thank you.